Hey guys, it's Mike on Internet Pro. I just want to tell you about this amazing system that I'm using right now. And you know guys, it's been maybe about 2 months, about maybe a month and a half since I've been testing this system. And I didn't want to test the system without, didn't want to really get anyone involved in the system until I actually test it. And that's been done. The proof is in the pudding. I'm making a killing with it right now, guys. So I really want you to check this out. And here's one reason why I am basically pushing this and paying it forward to people who are less experienced marketers who maybe have never marketed before online and just want to save you a lot of trouble. Okay, so if this is you, the newbie, and you just getting started out online, there's a lot of obstacles you can run into. Okay, these are like hurdles that you have to jump over. Okay, so really I'm keeping you from all these hurdles. Okay, I've done all of the testing over the years of programs that worked, programs that didn't work, and that's why I'm saying this ticks all the boxes. Okay, these are the boxes. It's definitely ticking them. It has, number one, it has your lead autoresponder system. Okay, your lead autoresponder system is going to actually capture leads and begin to send out emails for you on complete autopilot, even in your sleep. What does that do? That allows you to basically send someone an offer. Okay, an offer that actually works. Now, what I suggest is actually using the system. The system itself is your very own product. Okay, so in and of itself, it's a turnkey product. Okay, if you don't know what a turnkey product is, it means it's a business in a box. It has everything for you. Okay, everything you need. It is your turnkey. Okay, all you do is turn the key and the money will begin to move in because it's built up in a funnel-like system. Okay, so like a cog on the wheel, it just basically cranks to another cog. It cranks to another cog. Okay, and out comes the sales. Okay, that's the way it works. One cog goes to the next cog to the next cog. So you have your product, you have your leads coming in, and with the system, with the autoresponder, and last but not least, it has training. And what I like the most about it is it's video training. It's not that type of training where it's mundane and it's hard to figure out. No, every step has a video. So it's first step, second step, third step, each one show a video. Okay, so you have everything. So when you promote this to, say, like your family and friends, and they say, well, how, what do I do? How do I actually, how do I work everything out? I'm not sure about this. You can say, well, don't worry. There's training there. Okay. And it's really, really good training, guys. This is what you want to get your hands on. Stop beating your head against the wall. Okay. It's not going to help if you just go like a dog chasing its tail, round and round in circles. Okay. Going with flim-flam systems and flim-flam opportunities that always amount to nothing at the end. You just waste a lot of time. Okay, and time is important. As they say, the old saying is, time is of the essence. Okay, so you definitely do not want to waste too much more time, whether you're young, whether you're old. Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. Amazing week. We had really good, making a lot of money every single day, guys, on autopilot. Don't do anything but just set up the system and let it run. If you want to find out how to do that, click the link below in the description box. Get your system set up.